Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this 15-minute yoga for relaxation class. This is a great routine anytime you feel like you need to unwind your body. So maybe after a long stressful day at work, or perhaps after a really intense workout and you want to just let your body relax, but you also want to give it a really nice stretch. We're going to get started today in a lying position. So just the easiest way possible, bring yourself all the way down to your mat. We're going to keep the knees bent. Bring the feet really wide towards the edges of the mat. And you're slowly just going to let your knees fall here from side to side. So you're windshield wipering through your knees. This is a really nice little release for your lower back. You place your hands wherever they feel comfortable. Maybe still on your belly or by the sides. Good. And now the next time your knees come up, we're going to keep them up. We're going to just bring the feet a little bit closer towards each other. We're going to take the right ankle on top of the left knee. Really push that right knee away. Flex the right toes. So this might already be enough. It's quite a big opening for your hips. And then draw the left thigh in. If you want to come in a little bit closer, reach your arms through, interlace your fingers behind the left thigh, or maybe here in front of that left shin. And see if you can really draw the thigh in as close as you can. And then just add a little sway from side to side. So you'll feel a really intense stretch through your right outer hip and your glutes. This is sometimes called a figure four or a reclined pigeon pose. It's just such a nice release, especially if you've been sitting all day. We're going to keep the hands where they are if your knees are up, and then just draw the thigh a little bit more, just a little bit. And exhale, release. That left foot comes down. Now we're going to just float the right leg up towards the sky. So the hands come behind the leg. It doesn't matter where. Maybe you're behind the thigh or the shin or maybe up towards the ankle. It really doesn't matter. And add a little sway here from side to side. So think about softening and releasing the back of that right leg. Maybe making little circles here with the ankle. Maybe you want to draw the right thigh in towards you just a little bit more. You're just going to lengthen your left leg. So let the left leg rest. We're going to bend the right knee, coming into a twist. Taking the left hand on the outside of the right knee, draw it over towards the right. Your right arm comes out to the side, palm facing up. You might even want to turn your gaze over towards the right. Feel that nice big twist. Use the left hand here that's on the knee to draw the knee down a little bit more as you bring the right shoulder down. Inhale to come up. This time you're going to bend the right knee and you're going to take the left ankle on top of the right knee. Really push that left knee away, flex those left toes. And again, this might be enough for you. Or you might like to draw the right thigh in towards your chest, reaching your arms through, interlacing them behind the right thigh, or maybe in front of that right shin. And let's just add a little sway here, side to side. And the more you can push that left knee away as you do this, the more of a stretch you're going to feel. Good. Let's keep the hands where they are. And your next exhale, draw the knee as close as you can. Exhale, release the right foot comes down. We're going to float the left leg up. Hands come behind the leg. Doesn't matter where. Again, it could be the back of the thigh or maybe the shin. Maybe up towards the ankle, a little sway from side to side. And rather than forcing and pushing, think about really softening and releasing the back of that leg. circles with the ankles, taking them in both directions if you're doing this. Good. We're going to lengthen that right leg down. So we bend the left knee, coming into the twist. So the right hand comes on the outside of the bent knee. Draw the knee over towards the right. So your left arm comes up. Maybe turning your gaze towards the left. You're going to use that hand, that right hand on the knee to draw the knee down. So you keep your left shoulder down. Nice big twist. Inhale to come up. Good. We're going to draw both knees in towards the chest. Wrap your hands around your knees. Little sway from side to side. Maybe making little circles here with the knees. And we're just going to roll it up. So hands behind the thighs. Rolling yourself all the way up to a seated position. And from here, we're going to come up onto our hands and knees. So once you're up on your hands and knees, just make sure your hips are directly above your knees. We're going to keep the hips where they are. We're just going to reach the arms forward, allowing the forehead to rest down onto the mat. Now this is called puppy pose or heart melting pose. If it resonates with you, just think about melting your heart down towards the mat. Reach your arms forward so you're really feeling that nice big stretch through your upper back, your shoulders. You can always come up on your fingertips here as well. Add a little sway from side to side. You'll go even deeper. Good. From here, we're just going to start to push ourselves into a child's pose. So maybe bringing the knees a little bit wider apart, toes together, big toes together. Reaching your arms forward, let your whole body just soften down. From here, just look towards the fingers. We're going to walk the hands off the mat. So walk your right hand off. You're going to bring the left hand on top. Forehead comes back down. And think about sinking your hips towards your left. So you're really reaching the arms forward, sinking the hips down, feeling that side body stretch to the left. Walk it over the other side, through the center, over towards the left. The right hand comes on top. Sink your hips down towards the right. Good. Slowly walk them to the center. And from here, bring yourself up into a tabletop position. Good. From here, just maybe sway the hips a little bit from side to side. Do whatever you need. Good. Let's just set ourselves up, making sure the hips are directly above the knees and that the shoulders are directly above the wrists. Make sure your fingers are nice and spread. We're going to drop the belly here. Big inhale to look up. Exhale, press your hands into the mat, tucking in your chin, your tailbone, really rounding through your upper back. Inhale, drop the belly and look up. Exhale, press the palms down. Let's do that one more time. Big inhale. exhale, pressing the palms down. Actually, one more, following your own breath. Fold your legs underneath you to come into a seated position, a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. From here, we're going to straighten the right leg, keeping the left knee bent. So just flex the right toes towards you and feel like you're really sitting up nice and straight. You're going to hinge from the hips, drape your body forward. Again, it doesn't matter where your hands go. Maybe they're on your thigh, maybe the side of the mat, maybe towards your ankle. The goal is not to touch your toes. It's really to find length and space through the body. Reach the crown of your head towards your foot. With every exhale, can you just soften and release a little bit more? We're going to come all the way up. We're going to come into a full body stretch. When the left hand comes down, we're going to float the right arm up. Now, as you inhale, press into that left hand, bring your hips up and reach your right arm up and overhead. Point through those right toes. That whole body stretch. Take a big inhale. And exhale all the way down. Good, straight over the other side. We're going to straighten the left leg. Keeping the sole of the right foot alongside that left leg, so the right knee is bent. Hinging from the hips, inhale up. Exhale to come all the way down. Just drape your body forward, remembering it doesn't matter where your hands are. Maybe just closing your eyes here for a few moments, softening and releasing. Can keep those left toes flexing towards you, you'll have even more of a stretch to the back of the leg. And we're coming all the way up. We're going to drop the right hand behind us, coming into this full body opening. So float the left arm up, press into your right hand, bring the hips up, reach your left hand behind you. So you're really reaching through those fingertips and those left toes. Big inhale here. And exhale all the way back down. Well done. And from here, just slowly bring yourself back into a lying position in just the easiest way possible. We're going to have the feet together and just let your knees fall wide. Bring your hands to your belly. Now, the further away your feet are from you, the easier this is on your hips. So really do what feels good for you today. Closing your eyes. Once again, just feel your belly rising beneath your hands as you inhale. With your eyes closed, just reach your hands towards your knees. Guide the knees together. And you're just going to straighten your legs, bringing your feet towards the corners of your mat. Arms by your sides, palms facing up. And just feel your whole body softening down. With every exhale, just allowing your body to release deeper and deeper. ready, slowly start to wiggle through your fingers and your toes. Give yourself a really nice big stretch. And just slowly start to bend your knees and allow your knees to fall over towards one side, curling yourself up into a little ball. And then slowly bring yourself up to a seated position. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos that come out every single Tuesday. And see you next time.